Hi there, welcome to Use and DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're checking out the Halo battery strap from Kiwi Design. So as mentioned, this is the H4 Boost Halo battery strap from Kiwi Design for Quest 3 headsets. So that's both for the Quest 3 and the Quest 3S, the brand new Quest 3S. This will fit on both. So this video is kind of the next part of the Kiwi Design videos we've been doing. Part 1 and 2 concentrated on the K4 Boost, where we had a look at the headset strap. We actually disassembled the headset strap to check out the battery inside of there. So I'll put links up here to those videos if you want to check them out. So this is a different design headset. It's the Halo design. It's got the Halo ring going round, a different support kind of setup in terms of the headset strap. So giving you kind of different choices in terms of what you want in terms of comfort, etc. on the head. So as mentioned, this is the H4 Boost. What we'll do in this video is we'll get it out on the desk, check out the build quality, see what that's like. Obviously the comfort around the actual headset strap itself, and then we'll connect it to the Quest 3, get it charged up and give it a go and see what it's like. So first of all, let's unbox it here on the desk. Okay, so here we have the H4 Boost. Let's get it out of the box, check it out first of all. Similar setup in terms of the packaging from Kiwi Design. Come with a sleeve on with a cardboard box on the inside. Nice and simple, but really nice. Okay, so we've got the headset strap here. So the difference immediately between this one and the K4 is that it all comes pre-assembled. There's no need to assemble the inner element, the back element. It's all built in there, ready to go. So we've got that in the box, and then we've got a small package of instructions, and that is everything. So just to confirm a couple of the specifications, this is the QS03B model. There's a lithium battery in there, a 3000 milliamp hour battery, very similar or probably exactly the same as the K4, and very similar in and out in terms of the power output out of there. So let's check it out, just the actual design of it first of all. So we've got the bits on the side that connect obviously on, that's what goes onto the Meta Quest 3 or the Meta Quest 3S. You've got the hole there to pass through for the 3.5mm audio jack, and you've also got the pass through there for the USB-C cable, which will pass through there. The difference between this and again the K4 Boost, the K4 Boost has the ribbon cable built down the side of the actual headset strap. This isn't, it's just a cable that's just kind of loose that you can plug in, which may be better or worse, I'm not sure, but I don't think there's anything wrong with that. We've then got the dial on the back, which if you twist, this is what loosens and tightens it up depending on the size of your head. As you can see there, it can go quite big for big heads. And the front there as well has got the dial to bring that up and down on top of the head. So this connects into the actual headset itself, that clip there, and you can rise and lower that depending on the height you require it at. So it's all ready to go there, nothing else to do. Just one more point really, the back there, nice foam point on the back of the head, quite wide as well, so it spreads the pressure out. I don't think it's as wide as the K4, but we'll do a quick comparison in a moment. And you've got the Velcro strap across the top, very similar in terms of loosening and tightening that. And then again the foam on the front of the head, just in there, which is providing the comfort on the front of the head. Whether some people may not like that with the pressure on the front of the head with the foam, it's kind of down to preference, which is what's great about all the different headset types that Kiwi Design provide. So next up, we'll just do a quick comparison to the K4, and then we'll fit it to the Meta Quest 3 and make sure it's all working. Okay, here we have the K4 Boost that's attached currently to the Meta Quest 3 from the previous video, which I'll link up here somewhere too. Then we've got the H4 Boost here. In terms of footprint, very similar size, same size battery element, probably the exact same unit. The dial is maybe a tiny bit different on there, but not much difference. The actual back pad of this one is wider than this, so it may provide comfort for bigger heads like mine. On this one, you obviously don't have that front comfort across the top of the head. On the K4, on the H4 you do, you've got the comfort there, which some people again might find more comfortable. Depends on your use case. You know, maybe if you're where you're sitting, where you're laying down, for example, these will provide different levels of comfort depending on your use case. Again, which is a positive, it's giving you that choice. Both got the built-in battery, giving that extended gameplay, video watching, etc. Whatever you're using your headset for. So I think what we'll do, we'll pop this off the K4 off the headset, which again should be super simple. So I'll just unplug the USB cable, clip these off, like so. And I'll take off the Velcro. And that's the K4 disconnected for now. So let's get the H4 connected up. So again, this should be really simple. It should be a case of, I'm not sure if there's an order I should be doing this in. Maybe this should be actually. Let's clip on the top section, which should just clip into there. So that's clipped into that top section there, which holds on to the headset, which obviously provides you that better control across the top of the head. So let's just clip these in. Obviously only go one way. Okay, so they're clipped in now. So you can see we've got the USB-C pass-through there, and we've got the 3.5mm jack pass-through there, all clipped on, all super nice and tidy there, liking that. If I just show you the dial there, hopefully if I hold it there, you can probably see, maybe on this camera, if I do that, you can then see it raising up and then going back down. So that's giving you that on the front of your head, depending on how big your forehead is, that area. Again, I've got a big forehead, so that probably have to have that quite high up to allow it to drop down. And then the dial on there, which makes that bigger. There was some pre-charging here, so I'll just use it just for now. I probably will fully charge this at some point, but I just want to show you just plugging this in. So plug that in there. And you can see it's bringing the headset to life. It's currently switched off at the moment. So let me just switch that on. And on the back of there, we've got, again, same as the K4, we've got the LED indicator indicating it's kind of 75% full. We've got the 3 lights on there. So that would need fully charging, but that's plugged in. You've got a little bit more flex there with the cable. So if you wanted to plug something else into there, perhaps you've got a bit more flex. But there's it fitted. So I think next up we'll just, I'll just chuck it on. One thing I haven't done, sorry. This Velcro's come undone. Pop that on there. So there we go. That halo design, you can see that band that goes all the way around. Hopefully be really comfy. So let me just get things ready and we'll try it on. Okay, let's try it on. So just to confirm, I do have prescription lens inserts here from VR Rock. Been really, really good. Been using them for a number of months now, maybe even a year. Not so sure, but they've been really, really good. So I don't need to wear my glasses inside there. I will link to the VR Rock prescription lens inserts. There are a few companies out there that do them, and I've stuck with VR Rock for now. It's been really, really good. Let's get this headset on. Okay, so straight away, I can feel that cushion comfort on the front is really noticeable. Obviously, we've got that on the back as well. And you've got the Velcro there if you need to tighten it up. It doesn't really feel like it needs tightening up, but you can tighten it up if you require. So it does feel like almost like it's sitting on your head rather than being pulled on. It does feel like it's kind of placed on the head. You've still got good control. It wouldn't fall off, obviously. But compared to probably even to the K4, which feels more like it's fitted onto your head, this is kind of sat on your head. So again, it probably depends on what you want from a comfort, from a usability perspective, whether that's better for you. If you're bothered about your hair, this might mess your hair up a bit more. I'm not so sure. Maybe not actually. You've only got that Velcro strap coming down there, so you can, as I mentioned before, lower that and bring it up. I think that lowest setting is probably just right for me. It just sits on my eyes, and it's not what it's not doing, which I guess it could do if it didn't have that hold there. It could drop on your nose a little bit and sit on the nose, but it's definitely not. I've definitely got a gap above my nose, which is good. So overall, really, really comfy. Let me just plug that back in. And that's charging. I've got the charging indicator inside there now. So really, really good. Really, really comfy. Really pleased with that. Very different experience to the K4. Not worse, not better. I think for me personally, I might prefer the K4. I've been trying that out and it is a bit of a kind of fits on the face a little different to this. This just sits on the head. This feels like it'd be better if you were maybe sat at a desk using it, whereas the K4 was if you sat down, just to give you that kind of more, I don't know, a bit of just a different experience. But yeah, really, really comfy. That cushion and pad at the back there is really comfy, and again the one on the front of the forehead is as well. Okay, we're all done there now. That's the H4 Kiwi design headset strap with battery pack included, obviously, in the headset design. Really, really smart. Really like it. Just notice as well, all the colours match the headset, which is great because it kind of blends in, makes it look like it should be part of the headset itself. So overall, really smart. Really impressed so far with all the Kiwi design products, now including this one as well. As I mentioned, this is the Halo design. So it's got the halo that kind of sits on the head, and then obviously you've got the bits where you can pull it in tighter, and it is a different feel and function and fit compared to the K4. K4 kind of relying more on that pull to bring the headset into your face and onto the back, not providing that forehead support. So again, I think it's just user preference, what you like, and I think this K4 will be the one for me. So as the description and the thumbnail indicate, I will be giving away this Kiwi Design H4 Boost headset strap, with the battery included, obviously. So to enter the giveaway, all you got to do, like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and then we'll do a live draw for the actual giveaway, and a lucky winner of the headset strap will receive that. So if you've liked the video, it's been informative at least. If it has, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike, but let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about the headset strap, about this one, the previous one, or anything to do with the headset, please drop that in the comment section. Next up, part 4 of this Kiwi Design video series. We'll be doing a video on these, which are the VR controller grips. So these are for the controllers to provide more grip and control when using them maybe in a more active environment. So if you want to subscribe to the Houston DIY channel to see this video, more product reviews, tech reviews, giveaways, home DIY projects, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.